What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every day. Today's video is brought to you by our sponsor, Xado, the marketplace and community app built for car, bike, and truck people. Post photos and videos, buy, sell, bid, and link up at real car meets near you. Download Xado or hit xado.com in the link in our description.
Good, how you doing, sir?
Not too bad. I was just stopping because, to be honest, I couldn't see that you even had a plate.
Oh.
That was about it.
Yeah, it's a little low, I guess.
Well, once you're on it, it squats right down.
Yeah. That's the one that came on it when I bought it.
Yeah.
And so...
Gotcha. Okay, sounds good. I just gotta... You have your license on you by any chance?
Yeah, yep, I got it right in my jacket here.
Alright, sounds good. I'm not getting you a ticket or anything like that.
Okay.
Since I stopped you, I gotta run your stuff real quick.
Alright. Yep, thanks. See what happens here.
Yeah, once you sit right down on it, from like behind you, you can't see that thing at all. Well,
Yeah, I could probably try to maybe bend that out a little bit or something.
A lot of people do like the sides, like even if it's up and down kind of deal.
Are those legal? Because I've heard people say... Okay.
I mean, I think people are a little more lenient with
Yeah.
I mean, unless you're doing something completely ridiculous, you know what I mean? Like, I don't think anyone's gonna really...
Yeah, the other day,
too bad.
I was coming down the road and I wasn't...
What up, everybody? It's time for another Moto Vlogs Ahead with Heathen Rider getting the fuck pulled over. That's right. I have popped my getting pulled the fuck over cherry, and well, it wasn't too bad. Let's recap this here. Go back to the footage. Really? Lovely. You want to hop off? How's it going?
Can't cover license plate.
That's with a temp tag?
Nope.
Oh. Okay, I thought, because they said just to put it over that one.
They're down.
Oh. Alright, well, let me take it off.
I mean, I'm not going to cite you for anything, but obviously it looks, you can't cover an existing plate.
Okay.
You turn it over, maybe so it's not facing it, and it just, if nothing else, it looks suspicious.
Okay.
That you're trying to conceal my ability to identify who owns the plate or whether or not it's legal.
Okay, yeah, because I got in an accident, so it's got a salvage title.
Yeah.
And so that's what the new temp tag is for.
Yeah, just leave the old plate on it, keep the temp tag, or take the plate off. I know it's kind of hard on the line.
Yeah.
But you guys driver's license on you real quick? Like I said, everything checks out. I'm not going to get a ticket, but you just can't cover it all. So. Alright, hang tight for a second, okay?
Yep, no problem. Hey, he's got a Hayabusa. Yeah, and I asked him if I could just put it right over the other one, and they said I could. So I guess I gotta flip it around. Get home and flip it. No, the temp tag has to be showing. Yeah. Because they told me if I have the normal plates on it, and they're showing, then the bike can just be impounded. So I have to put those ones over it. Yeah, and they said that it has to be just showing the date, at least. It's like, okay.
showing no insurance and a suspended title. How long ago did you get that?
Last Wednesday.
Okay, I'll cut you a break and just assume that the system hasn't caught up with you updating the stuff on your end.
Okay.
But just make sure.
Oh shit, here we go again. 2,000 years later.
Fuck, bro. Yep.
I don't got my ID on me, bro.
Fuck, man. I'm done. I'm toast. This is my license.
You think so?
No, I know it is.
What you mean?
This is my license. This is it.
You think so?
Yeah. Great.
What's up?
Yeah, I already know.
Where do you live?
Millis?
Millis?
Yeah.
Okay, you been coming around here?
I just stopped at his house.
Okay.
I haven't been driving around here.
Okay.
He lives in Foxborough.
Who lives in Foxborough? You know?
He does, yeah.
Where in Foxborough you live, bud? Okay. So we got complaints. There's a black motorcycle, just like
This is gray.
well, dark gray, black.
Well, when was the report or the complaint?
Now, a little while ago.
Because I've actually been in this house for like 2 or 3 hours now.
Okay. All right. Do you have a license on you, bud?
Yeah.
No problem. Just future. I mean.
Because honestly, we just came from his house. We're actually going to the Wendy's. I got the GPS on right now, if you don't believe me.
All right.
Oh, this is my bank card.
Just when you, especially like in this area, if you ride, just
Yeah, no, I understand.
all
Yeah.
these people out watching you, and they're calling us. You know what I mean?
Yeah, well,
Do you have an ID on you, bud?
I actually don't have my ID, but I can give you my name.
Okay, no worries. All right, just give me a minute, all right, guys?
all right.
Do you have the registration on you?
I think it should be. I don't know if I have it or not because this isn't my main bike. This is my bike. It's registered to me. It's in my name.
Okay.
I just have another bike. But I don't think I have the registration on me.
Okay.
Is there any way you could look that up?
Yeah, well, I just run your tag here.
Oh yeah.
Why is it bent up like that?
Just when I do wheelies and stuff. Cause I gotta go to like a parking lot. I practice. I try to like learn stunts because I want to like do stunting one day, like at shows.
So that's cool and all, but when you're on a public way, you gotta display that because that's concealment.
Okay.
You can't do that.
Okay.
Just give them the heads up.
Yeah.
All right, boss. Just
Yeah.
give me a minute, all right?
Okay.
All right.
Damn, three cops for me. Damn. What?
When was the last time you got pulled over?
What?
When was the last time you got pulled over?
Yesterday. Or no, like 3 days ago.
Time to walk home.
No, I don't think you should. I don't know.
I'm gonna find out about this. You go right.
No, she won't.
All right, guys, I'm just waiting for your info to come back when I kick it loose.
Yep.
Like I said, I ride all the time. I got
I bet, yeah.
a black bike. I ride this. I shift a little time. Okay, sir.
People laughing at me here.
What's up, buddy?
People laughing at me over here.
Nah, you good.
Does come back to a Yamaha 2016 color gray.
Yep.
I had a Ninja 636 was first.
I have a Gixxer 600.
Yeah.
But I think I have a stator problem. I don't know what's going on with it.
Yep.
I started up. I can ride about 20 minutes and then it dies on me. I charge it up overnight, same thing. So I think I have a stator problem.
How
Yeah.
many bikes you got?
Just these two. I got this one and the Gixxer
Was that 1,000?
600.
600?
Yeah. Yeah. It was a big jump, you know.
It's a fun ride. Like I said, my first bike was a Ninja. I got a
Really?
Victory now. I told my wife I want to get another one of these.
Yeah.
Put around, but I was driving an hour to school and wasn't really fun on that thing.
The R3. It is kind of slow, you know, but
No, I mean I wasn't like
pain. I was so
Oh,
mad.
really?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, because you bent over.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop, and if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.